Hey, what is going on YouTube? My name is James and welcome back to another video. Today is actually an unboxing and first impressions of a new watch. I want to say a big thank you to the guys over at SIXOFOURLIFE for hooking me up with this awesome watch. It was actually supposed to arrive tomorrow and that's the day I fly off to Brussels. So I'm flying off to Brussels literally tomorrow morning and I'm heading home from work now. And I haven't packed yet and I'm trying to get this video done so you guys can get it before I fly, and also pack and get everything done so I can fly. So it's going to be a busy evening, but we're going to change perspective and get into it, so I hope you enjoy. Okay, here we go guys. I literally just had a mad rush for a camera holder because I couldn't find my other one. Quick wristwatch check, I'm wearing the Oris, and as I said, I'm flying tomorrow morning, so this is all being shot very quick and the sun is literally setting. So hopefully the light is okay for this video, but here we go. SIXOFOURLIFE, very cool watch, and a very cool packaging. Got a nice logo there which shines in the light. Other than that, it's a very plain box, nice long box as well. And you know what, the long box actually makes a bit of a difference to the traditional boxes we always get, so it's quite refreshing. And as I said earlier, I want to say a big thank you to the guys at SIXOFOURLIFE for hooking me up. And the one I went with, let's open it up, is the Canuck Blue, as it's called. Very cool. For those of you that don't know, SIXOFOURLIFE is a company that's based out of Canada, run by two very cool guys. I believe it's two people. In the full review, obviously I'll go in a lot more detail, but the watch sits nicely in there, and we'll go over the accessories that come with it real quick. They've been kind enough to send me a spare strap, and it is a white rubber, which I agree with them, I think will look absolutely awesome on that, so I'll be taking that with me and the watch to Brussels, so we'll get lots of photos whilst I'm out there. Very nice rubber strap, nice on the underside, and all of their straps have the quick release lugs. I wish every brand would just do this already. It just makes complete sense. Here's their business card as well, SIXOFOURLIFE and Caleb and Lee, or is it Caleb Lee? I'm not too sure, sorry, I've just butchered that. Based out in Vancouver in Canada. And here is the guarantee card as well, which was stamped the 23rd of the 4th, and today is the 25th. Look at that for delivery time. That is insane. 2 days from the day it got stamped. Incredible work by the guys over there, so thank you very much. But here is the watch. Again, sorry the sun is fading. Let's take these stickers off so we can see without that. So as I said, this is the Canuck Blue. They have some incredible options on their website, so go check them out. They've got a couple of limited edition runs at the moment as well. And this is a 40mm case with a automatic movement, as you can see. Now this automatic movement is the Miyota 8215. We'll go over more of the specs properly in the full review. You know, I'll go over the joules and the power reserve and what mine's been running like and what they're supposed to run like and all that kind of stuff. But overall very cool. Did I take the plastic off, or is there more plastic? Oh no, whoops, did I scratch that? No I didn't. That's just the way it's done. So yeah, very cool. It's 5 ATM water resistant, so I wouldn't, with it being on leather, I wouldn't go swimming or anything with this anyway, and at 5 ATM it will be fine for every day. But I wouldn't personally recommend swimming with it. I don't know what they recommend, we'll definitely look into that. But nice automatic, and you can see on the dial 604, lovely blue sunburst. You know, it's almost like a fume dial. It reminds me a lot of what the guys over at Moser are doing with a couple of their watches. Very cool, and they have some striking red ones as well, and they do this in a black case. I almost went with that, but I thought, you know what, let me go with the stainless steel because it's more versatile. Really cool watch. This comes in at $379. I'll put on screen what that is in pounds because I don't know. Okay, let's show it you on my 6 3/4 inch wrist. As I said, it's a 40mm case, but because it's square and the way it's actually shaped, it wears quite a bit smaller in my opinion, because that was my only concern when looking at these watches, was the case size, and I really thought it's just going to be way too big for my wrist, but I was quite surprised. So let's show you. And here we go. So SIXOFOURLIFE there on the buckle, and a lovely soft black leather strap, and there we go. It fits perfectly in my opinion. Any bigger and it would have been far too big. So guys over there, you have done an incredible job, and I think it looks awesome. My only concern right off the bat is maybe legibility. I think it might be quite difficult to read, but obviously in the full review I will let you know what it's been like to actually live with the watch and wear it, because I'm definitely going to wear it quite a bit over in Brussels. But yeah, that is it for the unboxing and first impressions. Sorry it's so rushed, but I literally still need to pack. So thank you all very much for watching, and we'll see you all again in the next video. Peace out, guys.